Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the daily time frame, we are pushing down pretty good, but we have not hit the 78%. So this is not an engulfing move down at a Fibonacci level. We also do not have a breaker structure to the downside. Now it could go all the way down to 78% of this move up right here, make a higher low, and continue the uptrend pretty easily. There's no reason on this time frame, just because we see one down bar, to say that this is going down in any significant way whatsoever. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally would still be very long bias. Like I was saying yesterday, this kind of looks like a possible AB. If you watched my video yesterday, I was talking about how it potentially would go up and take out this high, and then potentially go down and take out this low, and then maybe bounce from a Fibonacci level, and possibly just end up continuing the uptrend, making just a traditional ABC pullback. So because the 78% has not been hit yet on the daily time frame, I'm definitely still very bullish. Definitely still looking at anything I see to the downside as just possibly a pullback within the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.